Hi guys, in today's video we are going to talk about life insurance in estate planning. Now before we dive deep into how we can use life insurance in estate planning, let's try to understand what is estate planning. Estate planning is the process of transferring wealth from one generation to the next generation, and it is important that every individual with some assets should do estate planning. Many people say that life insurance is an efficient way to pass on wealth to the next generation. But is this true? In today's video, let's explore on this topic together. Now, before we move on, I just want to give you a quick introduction of myself. My name is Dr. Sanjay Tolani and I'm also the family leader of Sanjay Mentoring Family, which helps financial advisors like yourself to become successful financial planners. Having been in the industry for 16 years, I have a unique view of what works and what doesn't in the financial planning world. And it is my hope that I can pass this experience to the new generation future financial advisors so that they don't have to go through the same struggle as I have. Life insurance is a contract between the insurer and a policyholder in which the insurer guarantees payment of a death benefit to the named beneficiaries upon the death of the insured. To put it simply, you pay a sum of money called the premium to the insurer, and when you pass away, your beneficiaries, usually your family members, get a lump sum of money called the death benefit. To illustrate this better, let's start off with a case study of a typical estate plan without life insurance. We have John, a 50-year-old sole breadwinner of a family with a wife and two lovely kids. Like most families, John has a property on mortgage, $20,000 kept aside in cash, and the same amount he owes to a creditor in debt of $20,000. Now, if one day when John passed away, his estate would have to be distributed, firstly, his $20,000 cash set aside might be taken away by his creditor. Secondly, because he's the only one working in the family, his property on mortgage might be taken away as well. This leaves his wife and kids with no shelter and no money to survive. His kids might also be in college and will be deprived of the needed funds for education. But wait, can all these problems be avoided if and only if John had a little life insurance? Now let's look at what happens if John did purchase a life insurance policy. If John did purchase a life insurance policy, his commitment would be to set aside a portion of his monthly income and give it as premium to XYZ Insurance Company. Upon John's death, XYZ Insurance Company will provide John a lump sum of money that is called the death benefit to his family. Now this lump sum of money can be used to pay off his mortgage loan, his family's expenses, and in most jurisdictions this sum of money has been protected from his creditors. His children now have the required money to go to college. Now you see why life insurance is important in every estate plan? Now let's cover the 4 benefits of having life insurance in your estate plan. Number 1. Life insurance provides support for your dependents. The life insurance proceeds can serve as a source of support, pay debts, or provide for the education and daily living expenses of your family and dependents. Number 2. Life insurance preserves your estate because the life insurance proceeds can be used to pay off debts, taxes, and other estate costs. Number 3. Life insurance protects your wealth from potential creditors. In most jurisdictions, the insurance proceeds are exempt from seizure by creditors. This allows your dependents to be taken care of. Number 4. Death benefit is generally not considered taxable income in most jurisdictions. Life insurance proceeds that are received by the beneficiaries upon the death of the insured are generally income tax free. In general, life insurance has many uses in an estate plan. This includes wealth accumulation, estate liquidity, debt repayment, and income replacement. There are many reasons and purposes for having life insurance. If you are a financial advisor watching this video, share this video with your clients so they understand the importance of having life insurance in their estate plan. If you're a client watching this video, don't hesitate to have a conversation with your financial advisor on estate planning. Even if you have life insurance protection in place, depending on when you last reviewed your estate and insurance need, it might require some updating.